Hi beauties! Today I'm going to show you an Amazon haul that I just got. Hope you enjoy! How cute is this? It's just like a trash bag, plastic bag with a cap. Anyone need a tissue? And you have a couple of colors. Wow, this is really cute. Really, really cute. So this was 369 of them. I got them on Amazon. They're called Snap and Go KLEENEX. So, oh, there it is. Very easy. There it is. Very easy, see? And then it opens up. It's perfect. Perfect. And so organized. I love it. What else did I get? I got more stuff over here. I got this. I just saw this all over social media. It just got me. It's RETINAL. Okay. So we'll try this by CELLIMAX. RETINAL Shot Tightening Booster Firm Skin with Matrixyl Panthenol. It's by CELLIMAX. I don't think there's any English on here. Okay, we'll try it. We will try. It wasn't expensive, so I figured I'll try it. Now, I got one of my latest favorite perfume. It's by PHLUR, PHLUR, and it's called Missing Persons. And I only buy these kinds so I could carry them with me, but also it's cheaper than buying the $100 bottle, so I can try any perfume as long as I buy this size. I have to say, I do get compliments on this. And I'm always surprised. And actually, my 26-year-old granddaughter wears the same perfume. It's so funny. We didn't discuss it. The notes are: top is skin musk, bergamot, nectar, sheer jasmine. The heart is fresh cyclamen, neroli blossom, and orange flower. The base is sandalwood, Australia oil, blonde wood, and white musk. It's mindfully formulated, radically transparent, responsibly sourced. So it is really good. I don't know. I don't know what it smells like, but it's pretty good. So I got these Dermaplanes. I think it was $9 for 12 of them. Okay. Now for the foundation. My favorite. Doll 10 Proven Beauty Solutions. Bounce Balm BFFs. Peptide, Bounce Balm, and Brush Bundle. So, let's see. Meet your skin's new power couple. This limited edition set pairs our best-selling Peptide Bounce Balm Foundation with the Buff and Bounce Brush. The dream team for flawless, bouncy skin that looks like you, only glowier. How to use. Lightly swirl the brush into the balm. Tap the brush under the eyes, around the nose. Spots where you want a little extra blur. Start small, little goes a long way. Then buff, and you can build, layer it. It boosts bounce and blurs perfection for a smooth, filtered effect. That's the technology. Skincare First formula infused with reishi mushroom peptides, vitamin C and E. Ultra soft brush, vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without 2,400 banned ingredients. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh! Okay. Nice brush. Okay. Doll 10 Peptide Bounce Light Medium. I will demo this foundation in another video for you. You're going to love it. Absolutely love it. That's pretty nice. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wait till you see this blush. I absolutely love this blush, especially when I have no makeup on. It just looks lit from within. I bought 2 already. I love this. This is the Doll 10 blush. It is a blurring blush. It's a liquid filter, serum, swirl blush. I love this stuff. This is my second one. I just bought it as a backup. Oh, look at that. And I will demo this in another video. You're going to love this one too. So beautiful. Love. So that's my Amazon haul. Dermaplane, Missing Persons, CELLIMAX, Snap and Go tissues, Doll 10 blush, and Doll 10 foundation. And I will try these on for you in another video. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you soon.